With the FDA now expanding the emergency use authorization for Pfizer's booster shot to kids 12 to 15 years of age, Public Health Interim Chief Medical Officer Dr. Leon Guerrero says DPHSS now needs to wait for the CDC's approval before implementing it on island.
We get the vaccines from them, and so we have to follow from what they recommend. We have to follow that recommendation. And usually 2 to 3 days after FDA makes their approval, the CDC sits down and discusses it, and they tend to make the same recommendation as the FDA.
Dr. Leon Guerrero also spoke on the shortened time frame between the second dose and booster.
I think the vaccine immunity lasts a little bit longer, but still, so cutting it down to 5 months will get a lot of these people who, if they waited for the 6 months, might have caught the disease. So I'm kind of happy that they did.
Dr. Leon Guerrero added that possibly by the end of the week, Guam could be following the recommendation made by the FDA once approved by the CDC. Public Health's Interim Chief Medical Officer also had a message for those who got their vaccines and boosters.
First of all, I want to say thank you to those people that did get vaccinated. I mean, we had a nice problem, if you want to call it nice, but we ran out of vaccines because people are getting the vaccines. They're taking it to heart what we're saying about getting vaccinated. So to the people of Guam that are following the recommendations, thank you very much. It would have been a much worse event if they didn't follow.
Dr. Leon Guerrero continues to urge those who aren't vaccinated or boosted to do so, as getting the vaccine and booster will help prevent residents from experiencing severe symptoms. With children now back to face-to-face learning, Public Health also encourages parents to have their kids vaccinated to further protect them from COVID. Daniel Perez reporting for Guam's News Network.